What happens to your body if you eat oats every day? Oats are a powerful whole grain. Eating it in its whole form, like oatmeal, is incredibly nutritious. Rich in fiber, plant protein, and minerals like phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and the antioxidant vitamin E. This affordable ingredient is a must-have in your kitchen. Try to avoid instant oats that are seasoned and sugared. They are quicker to prepare and sweeter than rolled oats. But the extra processing removes the nutritious content of whole oats. So, let's have a look at the 6 most incredible benefits of eating oats every day. 1. Oats can promote a healthy gut. When we eat food, we not only feed ourselves, but we feed the bacterial world that lives in our gastrointestinal tract. You have the ability to choose foods that help the growth of good or bad bacteria. As we discovered, oatmeal is rich in fiber. But when cooked and then chilled, oatmeal is high in another form of starch, resistant starch. Resistant starch may help promote a more diverse and healthy gut microbiome. To reap the benefits of resistant starch, enjoy overnight oats instead of warm-cooked oats. 2. Oats can lower your bad cholesterol. Oatmeal contains a lot of water-soluble dietary fiber, specifically a water-soluble dietary fiber called beta-glucan. A serving of oatmeal contains approximately 1 to 2 grams of beta-glucan. Research studies have shown that beta-glucan is the active ingredient responsible for oatmeal's LDL cholesterol-lowering effects. There are several ways that dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber, affects cholesterol levels. The key here is that if you have high cholesterol, you should aim to consume at least 3 grams of beta-glucan per day. 3. Oats support a healthy brain functioning. Oats are a rich source of vitamin E. Vitamin E is good for brain health by acting as an antioxidant and protecting the brain from oxidative stress. In addition, oats are a good source of magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus, which are essential for brain health and may help alleviate symptoms of depression. Oats themselves are a slow-burning carbohydrate. This means it takes longer to digest and absorb, also known as complex carbohydrates. This category of food is your brain's favorite source of energy. 4. Oats can relieve symptoms of IBS. There's a reason you crave carbs when you have an upset stomach. Not only do carbs make you feel good, many of them, especially oats, are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber is a stool bulking agent. Therefore, if you are experiencing IBS, eating oats can contribute to more fully formed bowel movements. 5. Oats can enhance insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when cells do not respond properly to insulin, making it difficult to regulate blood sugar. One dietary change that can help reverse insulin resistance is eating carbohydrates that are high in fiber and slow to absorb. 1 serving of oatmeal contains 4 grams of fiber, 1 to 2 grams of which is in the form of beta-glucans. Beta-glucan delays the appearance of glucose in the blood and delays insulin secretion. 6. Oats can help you feel full for longer. Oats are a whole grain rich in fiber, especially soluble fiber. Eating soluble fiber slows digestion and makes you feel fuller. Consistently eating a high-fiber breakfast like oatmeal, especially when combined with proteins and fats like nuts, often keeps you feeling full for hours. So, the bottom line of this video: oats are great for your overall health. Add them to your everyday diet to reap the benefits of this amazing grain. Make a warm bowl of oatmeal. Enjoy overnight oats. Put them in your morning smoothie or add them to your baking goods. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Please like and subscribe for more amazing videos.